here is the E minor chord in two different fingerings. One is the traditional and one is going to be the alternative. Okay, so trying to get this so that you can see it the best. Okay, so the traditional looks like this. Middle finger, 2nd fret, A string. Ring finger, 2nd fret, D string. Make sure that you get a nice clean sound where the pads of your fingers on your left hand that are on the neck do not interfere with the open strings. Okay, very important, because you don't want this. Follow? Or you don't want this. You want to hear this. Nice, clean, and open. Okay, so ring finger and your middle finger. Ring finger, 2nd fret, D string. Middle finger, 2nd fret, A string. Again, make sure that you're clean all around, that your fingers aren't touching other strings, and give it a go. And that's what you should hear. Okay, the alternative fingering for E minor is exactly in the same place, but you're going to use your pinky and your ring finger. Okay, so what's going to happen now is your pinky is going to be on the D string 2nd fret, and your ring finger is going to be on the A string 2nd fret, and the rest of your fingers should be just, oh, let me see if I could find the right view. Okay, on the camera. Okay, so these fingers should just be hanging out, and once again you should get this nice and clean. So one more time, in the alternative E minor, you're going to have your pinky on the D string 2nd fret, and you're going to have your ring finger on the A string 2nd fret. Let these fingers hang. Make sure the pads of your fingers are not touching any other strings. Nice and clean. And the purpose for this is for the future, so that you could easily go wherever you have to go on the neck without any trouble. So you have your traditional and alternative, both important. Okay? Okay, practice up.